1966 Ford Mustang, listed in Big Sandy, Tennessee, for $12,500. This classic Mustang originally came with a 6-cylinder engine, but it was upgraded to a more powerful 8-cylinder. The transmission was recently rebuilt, and the car runs with no known major mechanical issues. The interior does need some repairs, but overall it's a solid ride. The seller simply doesn't drive it enough and wants someone else to enjoy it. FYI, we've included links to all the classic car sellers featured in this video in the description below. (1979) Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, listed in Mandan, North Dakota, for $9,995. This classic Corvette has 85,000 original miles and comes with documentation from the 1980s showing its history. Powered by a 350 V8 engine with an automatic transmission, it also features T-tops for an open-air driving experience. The car has been well maintained with new BFG radials, brakes, exhaust, suspension parts, and bushings recently replaced for better performance. The battery was just replaced 2 weeks ago. The car looks great from a distance, though it may have some imperfections up close. It's been stored in the seller's shop and is in good condition for its age. (1968) Chevrolet Chevelle L79, listed in Montezuma, Iowa, for $17,000. This classic muscle car is one of only 4,082 ever made. It still has its original numbers matching 327 engine paired with an M21 Muncie 4-speed manual transmission and a strong 3.31 12-bolt Pausai rear end. It runs and drives but needs a full restoration, including body, interior, and possibly some mechanical work. The seller is only accepting cash, no trades. (1973) Dodge Dart, listed in Parsons, Kansas, for $20,000 or best offer. This muscle car features a powerful 440 big block V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It has 73,900 miles on it. The seller has provided additional details in the last picture, including more information on the car's condition or features. The price is negotiable, so feel free to make an offer. (1973) Chevrolet Monte Carlo Landau, listed in Nashville, Illinois, for $12,750 or best offer. This classic coupe has only 15,600 miles and is powered by a reliable 358-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It features a well-kept interior, power steering for easy handling, Krager SS mag wheels, and a dual exhaust for a great sound and performance. The car runs and drives great, making it a dependable choice for any trip. The seller also offers financing and shipping options. (1973) Plymouth Duster, listed in Blanchard, Oklahoma, for $14,000. This rare Duster features a factory sunroof, full-down rear seat, and originally came with a 340 H-code engine. It's been repainted from A5 silver to plum crazy purple, a popular bright color. The car has a brand new interior with seat covers and door panels, and it runs with a 1970 340 engine block. However, it has a bad lower rod knock, so the engine will need to be rebuilt. It also comes with brand new US mag wheels and BFG TA tires. The car has some minor bubbling on the roof and passenger side lower rocker panel, but the underside and floors are rust-free. The seller may consider a trade for another Mopar or classic car, though cash is preferred. (1968) Ford Galaxie 500, listed in Palmyra, Illinois, for $10,500 or best offer. This classic started with a 390 FE engine, but has been upgraded to a powerful 445 FE using a Survival Motorsports package. It sits on Mickey Thompson wheels wrapped in Firehawk tires for a performance-ready stance. The seller has made many upgrades and installed new parts. It has a clean title in hand and is ready for its next owner. (1976) Chevrolet Camaro LT, listed in Dundee, Mississippi, for $10,000 or best offer. This classic Camaro comes with a 350 V8 engine and a manual transmission. It's in great shape for its age, though it does need a bit of work. The transmission requires attention to the main shaft bearing, and the headliner needs replacing. The car is structurally solid with minimal rust, and all gauges work, except the temperature gauge. The radio is functional, and it's equipped with a Flowmaster exhaust for that signature sound. The seller has only used ethanol-free gas to preserve the engine. It comes with a clean Mississippi title and is ready to go. Seller is open to trades plus cash, but would prefer cash. (1965) AMC Rambler 770, listed in Englewood, Ohio, for $6,500. This classic has 76,000 miles and comes with a clean title, meaning it's ready for sale with no legal issues. Powered by a 5.4-liter V8 engine, it's a great showpiece or summer cruiser. The car features custom pinstriping and a unique paint job, polished valve covers, and an airbox, along with a brand new Edelbrock carburetor for a performance boost. It runs and drives well, just as a 1965 model should. (1966) AMC Rambler American, listed in Lincoln, Nebraska, for $4,000 or best offer. This classic Rambler has around 33,470 miles and runs and drives well, though it has a few issues. The previous owner repainted the car about 5 years ago, replaced exhaust valves and seats for improved performance, and rebuilt the radiator. The current owner has rebuilt the transmission, including the synchros, and installed a stronger 7.5-inch Ford rear end and custom drive shaft. New brakes, wheel bearings, shocks, and a new turn signal switch have been installed. The body is in decent shape for its age, though it has some dents, dings, and rust on the rear driver's door jamb. The title is clean, and the car is ready for its next owner.